Over the last 31 days, I made over $55,000 from Upwork. And in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down exactly how I did it, what clients I closed, how much I'm charging, and everything in between. And if you don't already know, my name's Ryan. All we talk about on this YouTube channel is Upwork. And obviously, I could change these numbers, for example, here to, the 1st till today, which is the 12th of June, and say I made what, $62,000. But we're keeping it real on this channel. 55K in May to June, and we're obviously already crushing it for the month of June as well. But let's jump straight into the video. And again, if you want to make money on Upwork and you're struggling, maybe you're stuck at 5K per month, 10K per month, 20K per month, I would urge you to book in a call with me and my team, and I would love to help you. The link is in the description. But anyway, first, let's get into the proof. Let's click last month, let's refresh it. From the May the 1st to May the 31st, we made 55K from Upwork. Now, honestly, we have so many deals that are still kind of closing up, and even that 160K deal, I don't know if you guys have seen that video yet, if I have, maybe I've not even released it, but we closed a $160,000 client and we still have $80,000 worth of that deal left. I would love to come on YouTube and say, I made $300,000 in 1 month on Upwork, and I can't wait till I reach those sort of numbers, but I gotta stay humble and just be honest about the situation. I'm still happy with 55K, obviously. It's more than basically anybody else on Upwork YouTube makes, and let's kind of break it down a little bit. So the best thing for us to do is to look at the connects and how much we spent on the connects, but for some reason, Upwork is just bugging out right now, and whenever I try to actually just show the connects, for example, like if I show you right here, if I go last month and then I go to connects, it won't show me, and then if I pick connects here, and then you can see over all the time I've spent $18,000 on connects, but then if I try to filter for last month, it won't show me. But what we can do is you can see the total connects, and you can see like roughly when I purchased the last ones. So I actually didn't purchase any in May. I only recently bought some new ones in June. So the last I made the purchase was in April the 20th. So I spent, what's that, 630 times 2. So total we spent in May was $1,890, let's say roughly, on connects. Let's even just round it to $2,000, but it's still extremely profitable in terms of the connects to revenue ratio. So currently the maths on it, because it's 55,000 divided by 2,000, that is around $27.50 for every $1 that we spend on connects. So for every dollar that I spend on connects, I get $27 back, which is pretty good. Now, if we actually look at the withdrawals on Upwork, you can actually see in May, I withdrew $25,000 on the 5th of May, $2,000 on the 5th of May, and $16,934 on the month of May, which is insane. That's literally over $40,000 on Upwork in a single day. I don't think anybody else can even say that they've ever done that on YouTube. And yeah, like you can just see the withdrawals from here. You can also see that this month so far, we've already withdrawn about 10K, 9K as well. And again, we still have a bunch of clients that are yet to pay us, and we're just kind of finishing up on some of these projects. And I'll actually show you right now. Like on this project, we still have $7,200 remaining. On this project, we have $77,000 still remaining. And I think some of it actually comes this week. I was gonna wait to get like another 22K and then say, hey, I made 80K in a month. But I don't want to lie on this YouTube channel. I just want to keep it real, because sometimes these payments get delayed and then it just drags out the videos. And then on top of that, this one, we still have another 7,200 left as well. And just those alone, like what's that? Like another 40K left. I did the calculations on my own accounting, and I still have about $85,000 of profit that's still waiting to come to me over the next 1 or 2 months. So looking forward to that. Yeah, let's also look at some of the stats, I guess. And you might be wondering, why is your energy so low? I actually just sat here and recorded over 1.5 hours of free course content that's gonna be coming to this YouTube channel. I probably wouldn't have came out before this video, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm dropping 2 whole free courses on tracking and boosting. I'm giving it away completely for free. I'm not putting it in some school group and making you pay for it. It's completely free. So this week we had 964 profile views, but if we look at the last 30 days, we had 4,468 profile views, which is pretty high. As you can see, over the last 30 days, we missed some days. I think probably ended up turning the boosting off on my profile. We had about 50 invites, which is actually less than usual, if I'm honest. And then over the last 30 days, you can see like a big dip in between here where I wasn't really boosting. 148 clicks, which isn't so bad. And obviously, as you can see, in 2026, we've sent a total of 1 proposal and 1 view. And that's because all of the deals are inbound. I'm closing the clients inbound. And yeah, that's it. Now, one thing that I'm super proud of is we still don't have any bad reviews on the profile. Still haven't got a bad review. I'm still super over delivering to the clients. And ultimately, like, I can show you these cool numbers and show you me making money, but ultimately, like, my main thing is client success and making sure that, you know, not just my students, for example, but the people that I work with as an agency on Upwork are obviously getting great results, and I really care about that. But yeah, still no bad reviews. We're still top rated plus, we're still 100% job success. And what's funny is, even though the total earnings on here say 200K, after all of the deals are closed, like if I closed every single deal right now, our profile would probably be just over 500K. And I don't know if you guys remember, and I'll show it on here, I made a YouTube video a while back where I talked about how my goal was to make 500K this year from Upwork. And we've basically already achieved that in 6 months of doing the YouTube channel for Upwork. And yeah, it's been pretty cool. And I really appreciate all the support. We just hit 11,000 subscribers. Everything's going great. And I'm slowly trying to become the #1 person in this space, because nobody treats Upwork with respect. Nobody cares about this niche. Everybody just thinks of it as a place for low-paying clients. And it doesn't have to be. This can be the main place that you make money. And I want that for you too. But anyway, this was just a quick video to go through the month of May. I will obviously do one for the month of June, because I did one for the month of March and the month of April before, and you can check those videos out on my YouTube channel. One of those months I made 68K, I believe, but we're consistently around, like, you know, let's say 40 to 70K a month on average, not including the clients that we get outside of Upwork. And this is all pure agency. This isn't from me like teaching people or helping people get results or the revenue share deals that I have with other agencies. This is purely my own agency just through Upwork. That's it. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.